Alright guys, today's goal, the learner will understand how to develop and use a problem-solving plan. So, problem-solving plan. Step 1, read and understand. Read the problem carefully. Identify what you know and what you want to find out. Step 2, make a plan. Step 3, solve the problem. Step 4, look back so you can check it. So let's look at the first one here. You run in the city. Short blocks are north-south and are 0.1 miles long. Long blocks are east-west and are 0.15 miles long. You will run a total distance of 3 miles at a rate of 7 miles per hour. You will run 2 long blocks east and a number of short blocks south. 2 long blocks west and back to your start. How many short blocks should you run? Okay. So let's look at some things here. Okay, so what I like to do is I circle important things. And we're going to run total distance of 3 miles at a rate of 7 miles per hour. 2 long, number of short, and then 2 long again. See, I underlined the ones that dealt with the question and things we wanted to find, and then I circled the important things. So, we know this. Distance equals rate times time. But do we have any times that's gone over? No, so we don't need that. So we do know the total distance traveled though, and we know each block. So here's the thing. 0.1. Do we know how many of the short blocks we ran? No, so that's going to be our x. Plus, we did 0.15. How many blocks did we run there? Well, let's see, we ran 2 long blocks east and then 2 long blocks west for a total of 4 blocks. What was the total distance we traveled? 3, because we were adding up our distances, because we're not dealing with speeds. So if we multiply that out, you get 0.1x plus 0.6 equals 3. Now, here's the thing. If you want to, we can get rid of the decimals by multiplying by 10, both sides. So you get x plus 6 equals 30. Subtract the 6, x equals 24 blocks. So we ran 24 short blocks. Don't forget to label word problems, okay? Let's take a look at another example. Here's a nice multiple choice, everyone's favorite, guys. It says a gardener determines the cost of planting daffodil bulbs to be $2.40 per square foot. How much will it cost to plant a daffodil bulbs in a rectangular garden that is 12 feet by 15 feet wide? So here's the thing. See how this, so let's again, we're going to need these. But this one kind of gets double because it says, how much will it cost? Another key thing here is, do you see the square foot? And these are just feet. Well, square means multiply by itself. So the first thing you need to do is the 12 feet times the 5 feet. So multiply 12 times that, you get 60 feet squared. Well, they want the cost. So again, let's look at this. We already have the 60 feet squared on the top. Now if I put this, now look, see how it says per square foot. So this is $2 because we want the dollars on top because we're going to end with dollars per square foot. So those cancel out. 60 times 240. It would be $144. Okay. Do we have that option there? Yes. So the correct answer is D. Alright, so hopefully we're starting to see how we can cancel things out to end with the measurements we want. Let's take a look at some more. Okay, here's some formulas. You might want to write these down for tests and quizzes on your note card that you'll be allowed. So go ahead and make sure we don't lose this sheet, or we definitely copy these down, okay? So let's take a look at another problem. Nope, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.